Getting the too many attempts, try again later error on TikTok. This happens when you enter the wrong login details too many times, act too quickly, or trigger TikTok's security system. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes for this issue on your Android phone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Try out some basic things. Now, if you've tried logging in too many times, wait 1 to 24 hours before trying again. In many cases, the problem gets fixed after some time passes. If the problem persists, you can swipe down from the top of your phone and try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also toggle on airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Then toggle it off. This will refresh your network. Now see if that fixed the problem. If not, then let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 2. Clear TikTok cache and data. Go to your app gallery or home screen. Tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on clear cache and then tap clear data. Tap on delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your problem should be fixed. Now clearing the app data can sometimes remove app permissions, so you should go back to app info and tap on permissions. In here, make sure to give your TikTok app all the permissions. Permissions are needed for your app to function properly. After you're done with it, check your issue. Solution 3. Reinstall the app. If the problem is with the app, you might need to reinstall it to properly resolve the problem. So on your app gallery or home screen, press and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap uninstall and confirm the action. After this, go to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Simply reinstall the TikTok app from there. See if that fixed the problem or not. If that does not work either, then there might be a problem with your account. If TikTok detects suspicious activity, your account may be temporarily locked. If your account is locked, you'll need to contact TikTok support, describe your problem to them, and they should be able to get your account back. That's all for today, folks. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more helpful solutions like this. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.